Hi everyone, this is Sandy Crane of the Heart, and I'm back with another haul from Tuesday morning. So this might be my last really big haul for a while. I'm probably going to be doing probably some budget hauls I'm kind of going to be looking at, sort of giving myself a budget and seeing what I select out of that budget, just because I know Black Friday is coming in that I'm going to want to buy a lot of things. So let's go ahead and get started. They had some new Echo Park, and I really debated whether I wanted to get any of the Echo Park at all, because I did buy the Echo Park warehouse box, and I'm really afraid that I'm going to get some of this older stuff, because what happens is that Tuesday morning does tend to get a lot of things that show up in warehouse boxes, or warehouse sales. This is from 2010. It's super old. I don't think I've ever even had this collection, so I just broke down and got this one. It's called Happy Halloween. It's greens and purples, blacks, oranges. I really, really like it. It's really cute. I mean, super cute, right? So the number for this one is 2034830. It's called Happy Halloween. Adorable. $5.99. I debated about whether to get this one. What sold me, though, it's like a complete kit. So you get 2 each of 6 designs of paper, 12 by 12 double-sided cardstock papers. You get an ephemera pack, and you also get the brag cards for this one. So you kind of, you get the sticker sheet, and then you also get the little cards. You kind of get a little bonus in here than you would normally get in other collections, and 4x4 cards. And so it's $5.99. Normally $19.99. The number for this is 1954752. 1954752. Pretty good deal. So, and now that I'm looking at it more closely, it definitely looks like it's intended as maybe a school collection. So I like that. I did get this one. They did have a couple of Bo Bunny 12x12 pads. And so one of the ones that I bought, I think, is going to go in a D-stash. I bought another one that I'm just like, I got the 6x6 in this other one called Madeline. I think that one I am going to be doing a D-stash at some point. So I'm being overrun with product. But I got a lot of pieces with this Down by the Sea collection, which I'm going to show you guys. And that's why I got this one. This is like a mermaid sea collection. You can see all the colors. It's very mermaidy. And so $6.99, normally $19.99. And it's 1988914. It's one single-sided, 48 papers though, so a lot of papers. And then I went over to where they're starting to set up Christmas items. And on one of the end caps, they had the Christmas, because I was like, oh, they don't have any of the Christmas, and I was really sad. I think this is a pretty good deal. They're only 24 papers versus 48 single-sided. This is Christmas Lodge. It's $4.99, normally $9.99, and the price, the number is 1984348. It's a little bit, I guess, a more masculine collection, I would say, with the moose and sort of the darker colors. It does have these countdown cut-aparts. I think it'd be really cute. And then this one was $6.99, and I wanted this so bad. I saw somebody haul this, and I really, really wanted it. It's called Holly Jolly. It's by Pebbles. The number for it's 1984346. It's $6.99, 48 papers. I really like it. It's got pinks, reds, greens. It has like this super fantastic gingerbread. I just love the brown sprinkled in it. So I'm super excited about this collection. I really, really wanted this one. So I'm excited that I got that. So I hope that the other parts of Holly Jolly show up. So let me show you what else I got. Also in that Christmas collection, they had the Fa La La, which is a crate paper Christmas collection. They had the sticker sheet for this, 67 stickers, $1.99. It's 1984339. And so they have these stickers. I was excited to get that. And I think it goes really well with the Holly Jolly Pebbles collection as well. So I did get 2 of those because I love them. They were just super cute. And then a lot of Bo Bunny. So here's some Bo Bunny that goes with that Down by the Sea collection. They had the chipboard stickers, which I really liked. They are like super huge. This is like super huge. And this is a super giant mermaid. The number for this is 1988915, and it's $1.99, and you get like 2 sheets of these giant stickers, like these huge borders, and so it's pretty cool though. I did get that. I got the sticker sheet. It's $1.49, and the number is 1988911, and so it has these borders, these tabs, which I think are pretty cool. Just a tag, pretty cool. Let's see, what else did I get? Oh, this one. This is the layered chipboard. So this one right here would make a really nice title for a mini album. And this is 1988912, and it's $1.99. Love that. Let's see if there's any more of that collection. I think there is. I did get the 6x6 Down by the Sea collection, $2.99, 1988913, because you could just utilize pieces that are left over from mini albums, you know, with this to make cards. This is the one I'm talking about that I found, the 6x6. And so I just don't see myself using a whole 12x12 of this. I think somebody who's more into like shabby would enjoy a giant pad of it. So it's probably going to go in a D-stash, because I do have the 6x6 for when I'm feeling in a shabby mood. I've got it. So it's $2.99. It's 1988906. Not always in a shabby mood. Let's see. This, I'm pretty sure I got the 6x6 of this one last time I was there. This one is called Genevieve. And I just love this really bright blue. It's really pretty. This has a glitter chipboard, some glitter chipboard stickers. The layered stickers are $1.99. It's 1988901. So it's really pretty. I got those. And then, let's see. And I got one more. Oh, yeah, this goes with the Madeline collection. The layered chipboard, and it's 1988907. I thought that was pretty. One more Christmas thing that I did end up, a couple of Christmas things I ended up getting. I got the glitter presents, and these are the DIY craft, $1.49, 1972150, and they are presents, but they're cut out of glitter paper. So it's kind of nice to have those sorts of things on hand to brighten up projects. And then the Christmas trees, which I saw someone had hauled, and I'm super excited I found them. 1972148, and these were, along with this one right here, were in the Christmas collection. So this is a Snow and Cocoa banner. It says Merry and Bright. I think it's really cute. It's $1.99, 1984358. Very, very cute. Comes with a twine, and the letters is spelled Merry and Bright. And then they had this right here, which is DIY Shop. It has that Maggie Holmes kind of feel. I do like having all these letters. These are kind of fun. And it's called Sticker Gold Word Fetty. And you get 134 phrase stickers. $1.49, 1974142. And then they had a ton of flowers. Now, I can make my own flowers, but it's nice to have pre-made flowers to kind of go with the ones that you make. So I had a hard time deciding, because they did have a ton. So I kind of lean towards things that I know that I have. So this is like a Christmas one, I think. It feels Christmas to me. It's $1.99, and these are petaloo flowers. The number for this is 2027746. So I love those. And then this also would be, I think, really nice as a Christmas flower. Could be other flowers too, a wedding, or for example, $1.99, 2027738. I think those are really pretty. And then another Christmas one, kind of went with Christmas because that's kind of where we're at here. $1.99. And these are vintage velvet dogwoods. I think these are really pretty. And the number for this is 2027743. And all of these are kind of made with more textured materials. So it's not like something that I would probably make. So that's why I got those. They're not like Prima flowers. I feel like I can make ones that look like those. And then these, I thought they went really well with that Mermaid Bow Bunny collection. So that's why I picked these up, because I can put some centers in them, and I think that'd be pretty. These are $1.99. They're called Burlap Daisies, and you can layer them. So that's pretty cool. The number for this is 2027740. And then I'm so excited to have found this because I wanted it, because I saw a gal do a shaker with this. I really want to make that because I think it looks really cool, but I just really love this die. And this is a Tim Holtz Alterations die, $7.99, 1947188. When I looked to buy it on Amazon and eBay, they were like $13 and $14, and plus shipping. So $7.99 actually is a really good price because it's going for some money. So anyway, that is my Tuesday morning haul. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Crafting with a Heart.